My name is Priyanka Katoch and I'm working as a digital marketing lead at NetSmarts. It's been quite some time since I've joined this organization and my journey has been nothing short of spectacular. So if I could just snap my fingers and master one thing, it would totally be the art of concentration because, in today's hyper-connected world, our focus is like a butterfly, flitting from one notification to the next, and we're never truly settling on one thing. So I think it would be amazing if I could just master that focus and attention at the same time, because I feel that I would be able to dive into reading again, could get some serious writing done, or maybe can make an academic comeback for sure. So the best advice I ever got was that you don't always have to be the loudest person in the room to make an impact. Your work should speak volumes, rather. And, confidence and success can be quiet, and I truly believe in that. So that's the best advice I ever got. I absolutely love what I do, but if I have to swap my jobs with anyone for a day, then it would be someone in the military, because I've always been drawn to the armed forces. So for example, I really look up to Tanya Shergill. So if given a chance, I would love to wear that uniform even for a day and see what it feels like, to serve the nation. Because I personally feel that the kind of qualities that, come with this profession, for example, if I talk about leadership qualities, the courage, the discipline, all of this really make me, want to join the army. So, yeah. So basically, I'm a total chai addict. So I absolutely love having those quiet moments with a cup of chai, either by myself or with my friends, I also love indulging in those, mind-stimulating conversations, whether it's over some geopolitical issues or just talking about quarter-life crisis. That's it. So the one thing that will stay with me, it's definitely the people I work with. They're absolutely warm, loving, and willing to share their knowledge, which is something I truly admire. And such kind of environment is so rare and special. Thanks for making me a part of this conversation. I truly enjoyed it, and I also encourage others to come forward and share their stories.